Let's count 1 to 3. 1 little sunshine so bright wakes us up with morning light. 2 bluebirds fly in the sky, flapping wings as they go by. 3 green frogs go ribbit, ribbit, jumping high, it's their habit. Red kites fly with the breeze, dancing up above the trees. 5 big bees go buzz, 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 making honey just because. 6 cute ducks swim in a line, waddling, splashing, feeling fine. 7 stars twinkle in the night, sparkling gently with silver light. 8 fast ants march on the ground, in a row they all are found. 9 pink balloons float so high, drifting slowly through the sky. 10 sweet friends all shout yay, let's have fun and count each day. Would you like me to add background music suggestions or visuals for each line to match? 1, 2, peekaboo. 3, 4, jump on the floor. 5, 6, kick up sticks. 7, 8, don't be late. 9, 10, shout again. Let's count once more, my friend, from 1 to 10 and back again. 1 is the sun up in the sky. 2 are birds that fly so high. 3 are cats that love to play. 4 are ducks splashing all day. 5 are bees that buzz around. 6 are balls that bounce and pound. 7 are stars that shine so bright. 8 are kites flying in flight. 9 are bubbles that rise and pop. 10 are jumps, now don't you stop. Hooray!